All right, so example 3 is kind of a little bit of a twist on the application of the chain rule. We're told that h of x is equal to this composite function f of g of x. And k of x is the composite function g of f of x. All right, and we're asked to evaluate the following given that, and we're given some information about the function and its derivative, both f of x and g of x. All right, so we aren't given anything about what the function actually is. It's just we're given some values. But we're just going to apply the chain rule, okay? So h of x is the composite of f and g of x. So g of x is the inside function. So if I want h prime of x, right, it's just going to be f prime of g of x, right, times the derivative of the inside function, g prime of x. Okay, I'm just applying the chain rule. And now I just want to substitute 1 for x. So h prime at 1 is equal to f prime at g of 1 times g prime of 1. And now I can use the information that they gave me. I know that g of 1 is equal to 0. So this becomes f prime at 0, right? And I know g prime at 1 is 1. So this is just going to be times 1. And f prime of 0 is 0, so this is just 0. All right? That's all there is to it. It looks a little strange. All right, but it's just an application of the chain rule, because in this case h was a composite of f and g. Now k is also a composite. It's the composite of g with f. Okay, so it's g of f of x. But we can just go through the same process. In fact, I would recommend that you pause and try this yourself. But I'm going to go ahead and go through it so you can come back and watch the rest. So k prime of x, right? So this time the g of x is the outside function, so it's going to be g prime of f of x times the derivative of the inside function, which is f prime of x. And now I just need to substitute x equal 1. So k prime at 1 is going to be the derivative of the outside function, and then so it's g prime of f of 1 times f prime of 1. All right, so I know now that f of 1 is right here, so f of 1 is 1, and f prime of 1 is 3. Okay. And g prime of 1 is also 1. Okay, so I'm just going to substitute that in. I have 1 times 3, which is 3. Okay, so that's example 3. And I'll meet you in the next video.